So welcome guys to another episode of Circle Lounge Cocktail Madness, but it's Game of Thrones. Do the theme music. Keep it going. I told you to keep it going. This is the Johnnie White Walker on our Game of Thrones menu because we are doing a full menu of Game of Thrones right now. So we've got 8 on here, plus the Gin of the North! 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 Which is Nicholas James. The Gin of the North! So in this we've got Archers, Johnnie White Walker, Peychaud bitters, lemon juice, peaches, egg white, and a little bit of sugar syrup, just to count that.
You get many kind of peaches when I look at the north.
Oh yeah. No, they're from Dawn. Dawn is peaches.
Ah, okay, alright.
Yeah. See what I did there? Let's see how the White Walker has his tipple. So what we want to start with is some of the Archers.
I'm quite sure that's how you pronounce it, bro.
Archers.
It threw me a bit. I was like, what?
Some Peychaud's bitters. Bitter. And then some lemon juice as well. And some sugar. The same. Sugar. Yeah. Mate. Some peach puree in there. And then Johnnie White Walker. But I'll tell you what. We don't want this one. This isn't the real. This is the winter's coming one. I'll show you the better one. Watch this. Look, nothing there, right? Winter is here. Frosty, feel that.
Frosty.
Very good.
I'll get some chocolate.
About 40ml in there. And then a little bit of egg white just to get that nice frothiness. Frothy. Velvety goodness. It'll be like white velvet snow on the battlefield after all the White Walkers win. Then we want to ice and shake and it'll be red snow. It'll be John Snow.
And Daenerys is still looking forward to 6 inches of snow.
Where? No, she's had 6 inches of snow.
I'm so she has. Ice and Shrek.
Ice and Jeff. Ice and Jeff. Winter is coming. This is where the White Walker goes.
Too soon, man. I'm not thinking that.
You know nothing, Nate Dog. Bastard.
Oh, by the way, spoilers, a dragon dies.
You'd be hot pie. Either that or Podrick. Podrick. Gotta be hot lad, as they call him. You do a nice pork, grey ham, green eggs and graham.
That's a pretty damn good pork.
Now we'll get some cinnamon. Smell that. Just sprinkle that on the top.
I do, but it didn't work. How the hell are you to do that?
It's like divine intervention. And there you have it. There you have it. The Johnnie White Walker. Because winter is here. That's some smells of it. That's really great, isn't it? So thank you very much, guys, for watching the Johnnie White Walker. That's how he talks, by the way. He's a Cockney. But yeah, there's only a few things left to say, and that is
Cheers now.
cheers now. Everybody knows your name. All hail the Night King. Oh, we are one. Woo! Woo! Check I can do that without spilling it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Remember when you're doing the video, like, you know, it's full colour, not grayscale.
Oh,
see, that's a Photoshop joke, isn't it?
What?
Messed up, man.